So you might be having a problem with your iPhone. For some reason, you're getting a little pop-up that says something like you cannot use this accessory on your particular device. So it can come in the form of that. It can look like any of these other errors that you might end up having too. So if you do end up getting any sort of these types of errors that come up on your particular iPhone, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through and just making sure that you've actually imported and inputted that particular accessory properly inside of your iPhone. So at the very bottom, make sure you have plugged in that particular accessory completely 100% fine. Sometimes if a wire is not plugged in properly on your side or at the input of the other device, that can probably be one of the main ways to go and fix this problem. So make sure it's plugged in on both sides, and that is without a doubt one of the easiest ways to go and fix this problem. Now if that's not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is to restart your iPhone and re-input that particular accessory into your device. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, slide this thing to power it off, and give it a few moments, and go ahead and power it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you too. And finally, if that doesn't end up fixing it, one of the last things I recommend doing here is to go ahead and update your iPhone. So make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to go and click on your general settings. So just right here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on general, and then you want to click on software update. Then when you click on software update, all you're going to want to do here is basically update your iPhone. So right into here, update your iPhone right there, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.